My name is Rick Nieuwenhuyse. I'm the President and CEO of Trilogy Metals. So we're developing one of the highest grade open pit copper projects in the world. It's called the Arctic Project. It's in northern Alaska. We're currently completing a feasibility study on the project. Last year we completed a pre-feasibility study suggesting that the net present value of the project was $1.4 billion at an 8% discount rate with a 33% IRR. So it's a phenomenally rich deposit. 5% copper equivalent in an open pit mining scenario is, I don't think there's anything else like it in the world, frankly. So this year's a big year for the company. We have an $18 million program, so that'll generate a lot of news flow. We'll be drilling on our bornite project, which is about 20 miles away. As I said, we'll be completing a feasibility study at Arctic. We'll be doing some regional exploration in the district, so on some new targets that we've generated. So that'll generate a lot of news flow, but there are also two large catalysts that will be coming to fruition this year. First is the road permitting will be completed by the end of the year. That's something that a road will access the Ambler Mining District, and this is something that the state of Alaska has been working on for the last 4 years, and the federal government has agreed to a timeline to issue the permit by the end of this year. So that's a huge catalyst. It opens up this entire district. The second big catalyst is our business partner, South 32, has had a 3-year option that we entered into a little over 2.5 years ago, and that expires at the end of the year here. So we would see them exercising their right to form a 50-50 by the end of the year by contributing $150 million. They have to write a check for $150 million. So we're in a great position as a company. We have $30 million in the bank. We have another $10 million of warrants that are deeply in the money that will come through, so we'll end up with another $10 million out of that. We assume that South 32 will exercise their option, and we really don't need to raise any more money until it comes time to build this thing. Well, we've been working together for quite a while. I started a company called Nova Gold about 20 years ago. This is the same exploration team. Nova Gold found the Donlin project. It's one of the largest undeveloped gold deposits in the world. 39 million ounces of reserves at 2.2 grams per ton gold. So it's one of the largest and one of the richer large open pit gold mines. We just got through permitting that in Alaska, receiving our federal permits earlier last year. And so this team knows how to work in Alaska, knows about discovery, knows about advancing projects through the value chain. Well, right now we're trading. We've done extremely well as a company over the last couple of years. Our share price has been one of the top performers in the mining space in both Toronto and New York. We trade on the symbol TMQ, but we're still only trading at about a quarter of our net present value. So there's a lot of value to add here for investors. A lot of catalysts coming with the exploration program we're conducting this year, and as I said, the two big news events with the road permitting being completed at the end of the year and South 32 exercising its option to form a 50-50 joint venture by contributing $150 million. So a lot of news flow and a lot of value to add for shareholders this year. We like the one-to-one format. You know, as it says, it's a one-on-one sort of arrangement. The speed dating format works well with us, and they have great social events, and Hong Kong's always a great venue to be in.